Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm excited to share another finish with you today. This is actually my last finish of 2024, so I'm excited to share it with you because I didn't get to share it with you at the end of the month. As you may have guessed, this is my Batman kit, and I'll stick a little picture of it over there. I don't think Batman is the actual title of it, but that's what I'm calling it. So it's my little chibi Batman. You can see it's only got 8 colors. I did have one pixie dust that I was able to add in, and I made that the chrome of the bumper and the windshield, which I'll show you when I show you the kit. So a lot of gray. I actually had 2 containers this size full of the gray, a lot of black, and a lot of white. So really the only color in this is the peach of his face, and then the yellow that is the bat signals, and the moon is white as well, the white ABs. Very monochromatic, but it was small, only 30 by 30, and I'll stick a link to it down below so you can check it out if you're interested. But I really like how it turned out. Didn't run out of any drills, had plenty of them left, although like I said, I had 2 containers completely full of this color, and that's all that's left. So they judge the amount of drills right. I do have ABs left of both the yellow and the white, so I'll be saving those. And of course the pixie dust that I had left over, I'll be saving those as well. And you can see here, because this was a darker colored kit, it has more trash probably than I really would have liked. Like I said, this is only a 30 by 30 kit, so to have this much trash is kind of disappointing. Can't be helped, the darker colors almost always have a lot of trash, and this was a lot of gray, dark gray, and black. The dark gray had the most trash. There is some trash in the black, but not as much as the gray. So more trash than I would have liked, but not terrible. So that's all about the drills. Let me go grab the kit and we'll look at it. So you can see it's got yellow ABs and the bat signal up here, and then down here on the car and the little headlights. And then the stars, his eyes, and the moon are all the white ABs. I did think about adding and making all of the smoke down here, the clouds, kind of white ABs, but I figured maybe that would make it too sparkly, and I did want to leave it looking like smoke. I didn't want to make it look reflective like the moon, so I ended up just leaving it to white. So you can see here the color in his little face. Of course, all the black in his cape, his mask, the Batmobile itself, the tires. We've got this gray here for the background, and then we've got this kind of charcoal color for the cityscape kind of behind him. And then you can see here these chrome bumpers in the front are where I added in the pixie dust, and then the little windshield right here I added in pixie dust as well. I left his clothing, his little bat suit up here, the gray color, as well as the little cloud, the gray as it was charted. It didn't take me very long at all to finish. It just a couple of days, and I was able to get it done. There is, as you can see, a ton of multi-placing. So basically all of the background is that dark gray except for the city skyline here, and then you have all the black of Batman himself and the Batmobile, and then the yellow bits thrown in with the white and everything else. So it worked up super quick. I had a lot of fun doing it, and it was a cute, quick little project. And I finally got to use my mustache washi tape, so that made me happy too. I will, as always, take some B-roll so that you guys can kind of see this up close. My drill placement is not perfect, but like I said, I had a lot of fun doing this, and it comes together really well. Diamond Art Club's drills are really nice, especially the squares, so even if your drill placement isn't exactly perfect, it still ends up looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm super happy with how this one turned out. Like I said, it was just a quick project to kind of finish off the year because I needed to finish up and get my 35 finishes in, which I managed to do, so I'm super happy about that. I really love the little chibi aspect of this. My daughter is a big anime fan. She loves this style of art. I've gotten to where I really appreciate it as well, just how cute it is with the oversized head and the little miniature bodies. I know they've got a whole series of these. I actually considered making the Spider-Man for my nephew. Maybe I'll do that at some point in the future, but let me know in the comments below if you've ever done one of these, the little chibis. It doesn't have to be from the superhero series for Batman or Spider-Man or any of those, but I know they've had a chibi series for, I think, Harry Potter. Has anybody done any of those? Let me know your thoughts on them. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.